Hi friends, this is Amanda. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Oakland County, Michigan. I'm an A7 size girl in an A2 size world. That just means I make 5x7 cards. Now if you're a traditional card maker, you can follow along, and if you need the dimensions, just let me know and I will convert the dimensions for your regular A2 size card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Most of the cards that I make can be easily slimmed down. Not that difficult. Some fun folds will be a little bit harder, but I always give those dimensions. Just let me know if you need anything and I'll gladly help you out. Alright, so we're going to play with Magnolia Mood today, and I want to stamp some tone on tone of these beautiful, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Magnolias, whatever they are. I don't, you know what? I don't exactly know what they are, but I did try several different colors. I tried Pebble Path, I tried Smoky Slate, and I liked Basic Gray the best with the gold that we're going to be using today. So that's why I chose Basic Gray. Now this is a red rubber, so you don't need anything behind it. We're going to take a Basic Gray with a Basic Gray card base. Whoops. Well, that's not going to work, is it? That one was in my pile, but it did not work. So we're going to take a card base that is 10 by 7, scored in half at 5 to make a 5x7 card base. So we'll do that really quickly. And then we'll start doing some tone-on-tone stamping. I think it will be really pretty cut out. And then have the standalone die cut out in gold. I think that would be really pretty. Hopefully it is. This could be a birthday card or a sympathy card because it's so dark, but I really think it is going to be dark, but we'll see. Let's see how it just takes us. Alright, so we have our card base here. We're going to stamp our main image, which is this one here, in Basic Gray. And I'm going to bring my ink to my stamp because it's easier with this large one. I do have, I have a wipe so I can wipe off all the mess that I make, and I'm going to try to stamp randomly. You guys know that I'm terrible at that, but that's okay. We're going to try to stamp randomly, and let's see, let's do this right here. It's an art. I just don't have it. I don't know. We are going to make a landscape card. Let's put this right here. Like that. This is so pretty. Just going to remove some of this and add some more. Here we go. Oops, I need to take this to this. Just a little bit easier with the bigger stamps. And let's put this here like that. This is really large, so you don't have very much stamping to do. Stamp right there. Don't want any ink all over me, which is normally what I do, but you know how that goes. And then we'll put this right, right there. There we go. So pretty, don't you think? It's gorgeous like that. If you want to, you could start with a larger piece of paper and then cut down. That sometimes is easier for me because now it kind of looks like I have 3 lines, but it doesn't matter. We're going to be happy with it. I'm going to put it just like this. And then we will take our die. Oops, did I already bring it out? I might have, because I cut it, didn't I? Yep, I'm going to take a really pretty die. Oh, let me show you the different ones. Found them. Here is Pebble Path. It's pretty, right? And here is Smoky Slate. They're all beautiful. This one looks really great with the definition. That's Pebble Path. I just didn't like Pebble Path that much with the gold. So I'm going to take a piece of our brushed metallic gold, and I'm going to die cut the standalone die. I love that Stampin' Up! Has standalone dies. That way you get more for your money. You're just not buying an outline because, you know, outlines are easy. You could do it with your Brother Stampin' Cut if that was the, you know, if you needed to. So, not Brother Stampin' Cut, Brother Scan and Cut. All right, so we have this. And we'll just take a second to get all the stuff out. All the pretties. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. Isn't this crazy? Look how pretty this is. So, so pretty. And we'll just, let me know if you guys have the stamp set. I know it's a little bit older. I'm excited for June. Lots of things happening in June. We're going to have a sale in June regarding bundles, an extra 10% off of bundles. So stay tuned for those dates. And 10% off our Stamp and Boss machines, both of them. So that's a great deal. They never go on sale. So that's awesome. So yep, stay tuned. 10%, like I said. I think it's like the 5th on or something like that. And online exclusives too are next month for the demonstrator. So I'll be able to show you some online exclusives, some new products we will have for you to play with in July. So yeah, but you will get a sneak peek from me in June. I'll order those on the 5th and get them here by the 6th or 7th. I do have a surgery plan for the 7th, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get that immediately out to you. So we'll see. I'm hoping to have some content for you, just not necessarily the online exclusives. We'll have to see if they get here in time. All right, we have it all cut out, I think, all punched out. Whoops, a few more things, if you can believe it. It's worth it, though. This is a oh, this one's even there. So, so pretty, and I love it in the gold. I guess you could do it in the silver, too, but then you can't use the Nature's Sweetness Designer Series paper, which I'm hoping to use today. Oh my goodness, friends. Look at this. There are a million things to come out. This is so awesome. And it cuts so well. There we go. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, let's see if we need a circle behind this. Yeah, we probably do. We probably need a circle right there to lift it up from it. If not, it's really dark. Oh, I like that side better. What do you think? I do like that side better. So let's get a circle here. Can we do Smoky Slate with this? No, that's not Smoky Slate. That's Pebble Path. Let's see if we can do Smoky Slate with Basic Gray. Or, wait, maybe we should do the white since we do have this. Let's see. If we cut a circle out of this, that might be pretty. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. And we won't do something, a boring color here. So what about our deckled circles? That'll be fun. I haven't used those in a while. All right, scooch over. We're getting a little crowded here, friends. All right, let's do that. Let's see if we can do that like that, right there. We'll have it go off, so maybe like that, and then have it go off. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be pretty. All right, so this size, let's see what size is this. This is the 3 3/4. And we will just cut this out of this really pretty gold sketchy color. Looks like a grid. Cool. And I'll run that through. There we go. And this is the deckled circles, which are so fun. Ooh, we got all this gold everywhere. I'll probably use a little bit more of this Designer Series paper as well. Nature's Sweetness. just like that. All right, let's try it. Whoops. There we go. Yeah, like this. Then like that. Oh, that's gorgeous. And I don't really want to introduce anything extra, but I think we need to have a little bit of something, something. You can just get a little bit of this. Yeah, let's try that. What are we thinking? Like 2 inches maybe? We'll start with 2.5 by 6 3/4. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. Let's go up 6 3/4 here. There we go. Let's see about this. I love this paper. I think we're going to cut this down to 2 inches. And we might even cut it even further. I don't want to cover up too much. Let's do 1 3/4. We have a nice piece here to do something else with. And we'll put it up here like that. So you see a little bit there, a little bit like that. We'll put this right here. Like that. Too busy, do you think, with this? We could do, let's see what else we got. Well, that's great granite. I don't like that. Could add some cording instead to break it up a little bit more. Let's see what this looks like instead. I don't mind this because I could put a sentiment, you know what I mean? I'll put the sentiment here. Oops, there's more to be. Is there more? Oh no, okay, good. A little bit more. Oh no. Are these just cuts or are they, oh yeah, they're just cuts, okay. All right, well let's put that to the side because I know I like that. We can add this, maybe it won't be so, see, that's so pretty. It's a different gray. I really like this particular gray. All right, let's try this. I'll add a little tape here, not too much in case we decide against it. This is the time I should do lives, right? When I don't know what to do, and it would be really helpful if you guys were here. I haven't done too many lives. It's kind of a lot. You have to make sure everything's working, and you know, it's a little bit harder. It's a little bit harder. All right, then this. Oh, that's pretty. And then just have the sentiment here. See, I'm not liking this little, what do you think? Is that okay? Because if I did, I could like break this up and put it here. Put this here. You know what? That's really fine. That's fine. That's fine. Just the two, they'll go together. So it's just, I don't think I want to do just white. But I might add this cording as well. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put everything on. We're going to do it all. I didn't close up my my glue gun. It's been a while. So it now doesn't like me. But I just have to put this little thingy in it and it will be good. I hope I'm not getting too low on glue. All right, in a minute, I'm not going to use glue. All right, fine. Just going to use this. Stampin' Seal Plus. All right, so this was 1 3/4, and I'm going to put this up here. And I'm going to cut this off. This will drive me bonkers if I leave it. So I'm just going to cut up a little bit off of this side because I did not get it at 6 3/4 perfectly. So I'm just going to take a little bit off, but when you cut it at 6 3/4 because it'll be nicer that way. For sure. I don't think this is straight. I'm wondering if the words aren't straight. Did I not cut it straight? That's a little bit better. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, it's straight. Is this straight? Yeah. 2 1/4. This is about 2 1/8 down from the top. Well, it's straight. I don't know. Maybe it's the trickies. Maybe the tricks are, my eyes are playing tricks on me. All right, let's add this. We're just gonna add all the things. Can't have enough gold in life. All right, let's cut this. No, come on. I just had my scissors. Oh my heavens. I had to have my scissors around here somewhere, right? I only have a million scissors, right? Does that ever happen to you guys? Let me grab some scissors out. I'm sure they're here somewhere, but I'll just grab out my good ones. My good ones that I'm not supposed to be using except for when I really need them. My expensive scissors. All right, there we go. I think these are for fabric, and I have something else for fabric, so I guess it's no big deal. All right, add this here. Stick this here. Let's get the pretty stuff way over here so it looks kind of cool down here. You know, yeah, and then I do need to have glue for this, so we will bag and pleed this guy to be nice. Get it way down there. All right, let's see. Are you gonna be good? Yay! Oh, one more piece out, not out. 2 more pieces, not out. Thank goodness these come out so easily. Just gonna add a little bit of adhesive all the way around, tops and bottoms. Another piece not out. That's number 3. There we go. There we go. And we'll just add this here. Like that. So pretty. Like that. Pop that up. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, let's pop this up. Looks like I only have my baby dimensionals today, so that's what we're going to use. No, this will take forever. Give me 1 second. Can't find anything today. All right, well, we're using black because we got it. So funny. I was going to make another card and I wasn't feeling it. Does that ever happen to you guys where you're like, no. So I have 2 things out and 2 different sketches in my head, but I just wasn't feeling the other one. All right, so we got that, we got that. Now I think we need to add one more thing. Yes. Whoops, this just came loose. I need you to come back here, please. Oh, you came loose from this side. Well, that's rude. All right, let's try that again. All right, let's Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. Oh my heavens. Oh my heavens. Maybe I'm not supposed to make a card today. Alright, let's try this again. We'll just pop this up a little bit. We'll pull you back like this. There we go. And we're going to make a really nice, whoop. There we go. Now you can't move on me, please. And I'll add a little bit of adhesive here so it really doesn't want to move. I just want to add one more thing and the sentiment. Whoops, let's put that down there. Goodness. There we go. I want to add something right here. So we have options. I think we're going to take this really pretty paper and cut 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches by 2. Just a chubby little banner up there. Oh, found my scissors. Alright, let's do this. Let's kind of fold this a little bit. Crease it right there. There we go. There we go. Right there. Little bit too a little bit too long, so we're going to go even shorter than that. Just want a little bit like that, just to break up it. What do you think? Do a little bit over here. All right, let's do that. Yeah, we're going to just glue it on. I was going to pop it up, but I think we have everything else popped up, so that's fine. Just put that right there. Just like that. Just like that. Now we need a sentiment. This could very well be a sympathy card because it is dark, but we're going to add some blingy bling, and then it can't be a sympathy card because blingy bling just doesn't belong. All right, so we have this. Add some of this gold. So pretty. And these match so well. I want to use all of my pretties. I'll use a few down here. All right, so right here. All right, now the sentiment. We have the happy birthday, and we could heat it in gold, but I think that's gold overload. So we're just gonna go with basic gray, a happy birthday on a banner. There we go. Oh, that's a pretty script. We'll just cut that down and banner it. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. All right, so that's that. I'm getting closed in here. All right. Take this, cut this. It looks to be about an inch, 3/4 of an inch. It looks to be that. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch is a great. We're just gonna put that. I'm gonna have to decide. We might have to use the chopper and go a little bit smaller, because kind of maybe at 1/2 inch. I think we're going to do a 1/2 inch. Yeah, much thinner, just exactly to where we need it. Oh yeah, that's better. All right, and then let's see how long this is. 3 3/4. I hate to cover any of this because it's so pretty. Let me know if you think I should heat emboss it, or I should have heat embossed it. Let me know if this is way overload. Put it here, a little bit below. Gold overload. Just do it here. I think, well, you know what? I think I'm going to use the strips because I know they're thicker. Oops, here we go. I like the strips. They're thicker and you could just rip them. There we go. Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea. All right, let's put one of those gemmy things right here and then it'll look good. But I lost my gemmy things. Oh my goodness, you guys. So let me tell you all the things that I've misplaced in the last couple of days. Oh, it will be too far. It'll be too much. Let's see. What do I have in here? All right, well, here they are. I need to put one right here. Just like that. What do you think? I mean, wow, right? Too much? All right, so I'm gonna say that this card is way done. Needs just an insert and we're good, but that's the Magnolia. Oh, it's so pretty, the stamp. Oh, let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to stay tuned about that sale. You're going to want to save an extra 10% on bundles. That's fun. And then I'll tell you about the online exclusives too. Lots of fun things happening in June. Hope you guys had a great Memorial Day. I'll see you soon. If you're not subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And, you know, maybe I'll be able to find things in the next video. It'll be so much fun. See you soon. Thanks, friends.